This week the US index has made a bearish breakout and the price has gone outside of this indecision range area. In the previous week analysis I have mentioned that I am expecting that the price will drop down in value, and this is something that has happened this week, where we can see the start of the week has started with these bearish candles, and on Wednesday the bearish breakout has been formed and the price continued to fall down, reaching 102.85 as a support and demand zone. On a Friday, the price continued to fall down in value and then formed this bullish pin bar right here at the support level. On the weekly time frame, this looks like a bearish candle which has reached the target I have mentioned in the daily analysis inside the Telegram group with the traders, and the previous week analysis have mentioned that the price will continue to fall down in value, at least reaching the area 103.18, but the price continued to fall down and reached the second one, which was around 102.60. Let's see the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame is the bearish. We can see it here, and very important levels what I have mentioned in the past is around this one, 103.40. so currently the price is making a breakout to the downside on the smaller scale, and the next one is here, which has been also broken. The next one is here, so this is the third one where the price has stopped. We have 2.5 weeks until this month ends, so I will wait until the end of the month to make a conclusion. For a better understanding where the price could go, this is a very important level. This one, 104.20 on the monthly time frame, is very important for the bulls, and on the lower side what is a very important level is this one here, 102.05, and this one here 101.85. This is a very important support level for the price. Now on the weekly time frame we can see 104.20 is also important level for the weekly time frame, and on the lower side it is this one here. It is around 102.25, and this one here 102.45. So this is an area for the price that is a very important level. If the price goes down and closes the week below this one, this will indicate that the price will drop down value, where the price will reach this area 101.45, as it was visible on the weekly time, on the monthly time frame, very close price levels. Now on the daily time frame we can see the price has formed this bullish pin bar, indicating that the price will continue to rise in value. Usually this is also a very important price action signal, but currently I am paying attention because we were in the uptrend, and now the price has formed this breakout of this uptrend and forming a downtrend where the large signals has been formed. So trading against the small trend is not very good. If we are in this uptrend and the price goes down, forming this bullish pin bar, this will indicate continuation of the trend. It will be much better signal. So for now I am staying outside of the market, watching what will happen, and if there is any bearish breakout below this one, and that means the candle closes the day below this one, it will indicate that the price will drop down in value, again reaching an area around 102.00, which is the next demand zone for the price. Now if the price goes up and closes above this one, which is 103.60, this will indicate that the price has gone outside of this bearish trend and it will get back inside of this range area. Until that happens, I am still watching and seeing the price dropping in value, and I am more inclined to see the price reaching lower levels. So if this breakout happens on the lower side or the upper side, I will share that as a daily analysis inside the Telegram group. The link will be below in the description. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.